Hi, my name is Muskan Gerola. I'm the founder and CEO of Vesna Event Crafters, and I have started the season 1 of VC Queen of India, and I'm so much looking forward to now season 2. This is our season 1, and it's very special to us. This is our very first queen, and we are thrilled to have a lovely, beautiful 6 queens here. And the exciting part is that we did this event in Goa, and I'm super excited about it.
Ma'am, how difficult was it to be a position of the jury for this pageant?
It was very difficult. It is always difficult, I guess, to be a jury and to judge actually somebody else is very, I think it's the most difficult task you ever do. But yes, there was so much of talent, and we were kind of confused. So, but of course we had to make a decision. So we came to the decision. I'm pretty happy about it.
And what do you have to say about the transformation they went through after the grooming process?
I think a lot. There's a lot of change. Since they are not professional models, it's a platform for everybody, for the regular women, for me, for others, for misses who are widowed, single mothers, and unmarried women. So it's for everyone. So they are not professionals, and to actually groom them was a very big task. But I think they did a fantastic job, and we had a great show.
As an organizer, what are the challenges that you faced having this show being completed now?
I'm in events company, so I know how difficult it is to run one event, and since this is our own baby, so it was more difficult to actually start with the concept and then to kind of manifest the dream into reality. So there were a lot of hurdles, but of course with a great team effort and with great partners, with great sponsors, we made it a success today.
Any future plan, ma'am?
Yes, so we'll start preparing. When we go back to Delhi, we'll start preparing for season 2.
And to all the girls in India, what would you like to encourage them for platforms like modeling?
I think it's a great platform. There is so much hidden talent, and modeling these kind of ramps, they give so much empowerment to these ladies. So that is whole concept of having this beauty pageant, so that we can empower more and more women, and we can reach to the household women as well, because they have immense amount of talent, but they don't get the opportunity. So that is what we are trying to do.
Hi, my name is Kirti Narang, and I am the official mentor and board advisory for VEC Queen of India Season 1 2024. And I'm very happy that today this beautiful program has commenced, and girls came out to be extremely talented, confident, and the kind of transformation which we saw is commendable. So I'm so happy, and I really wish them all the best. The organizer, Muskan, also it was her dream project, and it is her first project, and it's way to go. Loads of wishes to everyone, the entire team.
And how difficult was the position of being a jury for this pageant?
I think these girls have come from different parts of India, so they had a different perception about life. So yes, the kind of quality of answers which they gave were extremely that showed their mettle, okay? And when they started this journey, they were very raw, but then eventually they have done a lot of hard work, and we could really see a different them today, and that is the whole thing. So for it made the jury's job absolutely difficult. But yes, even Chitrangada had to say that the competition is tough, and it was very difficult for us to shortlist. But yes, may the best one should win, and that's what happened today.
And did you see a lot of transformation through the grooming process?
Yes, like I said, that when these girls, none of them is a model, none of them has done pageants before, so it was their first time. So when they came during the audition, and today, if they see, there is a different version of themselves, but yes, the better version of them, and they whatever they have planned to achieve in life, whatever is their dream, I'm sure now through this platform, through the platform of WEC, they would be able to achieve it, and we really wish them the best in life.
And finally, what would you like to say about the organizers, Ms. Muskan and Mr. Ravi?
So Miss Muskan and Miss Ravi, I know them from a few years now, and a few years back they told me that Muskan particularly, that I would like to have my own pageant. She herself is a winner of a pageant, so that is how this whole thing sprouted. And today I feel so proud to see how she collected the whole team, and the team itself, they are all winners from different pageants, and the expertise they hold, which they tried to cater to the all these contestants. And yes, through Muskan's dream, I think a lot of girls got the platform, and this is just season 1, and I'm sure it's a way to go for dear Muskan and Ravi both. They both are supportive, they both are very warm, and not only the contestants but even the jury, the people around here, everybody was very touched with their hospitality and the dedication they showed.
I'm Sunana Rana and creative head for WEC Queen of India.
So, ma'am, as a jury, how difficult was the position at this pageant to judge such beautiful ladies?
Yeah, it was not easy. I think all of them are really good. We handpicked them, like 16 of them, after so many auditions, and I think it was not easy. It was a tough call. Even after selecting top 5, also it was not easy for two to finally decide who will be the first or who will be the second. But I think girls did a great job. The final decision happened, when the Q&A finally was asked. So yeah.
And did you see a lot of transformation within the contestants through the grooming process, which I'll put them through?
Oh yes, there's a lot of difference. They were very raw when we met them. Few of them had few of experience like in the past, but I think the sessions which we held for them in terms of how to present themselves, stage fear, how to stand, how to walk, it had made a lot of difference. They were really happy, and they were excited to perform. And even people who have not won, they were also like, they're taking something back. So, and I got this feedback, personally from so many contestants, that they were very happy with the type of training being given to them in 3 days. So, a lot has been covered. So, yeah, transformation was definitely there for all of them.
Sure. Any message to all the girls out there who want to take up modeling as a profession and as a platform?
Yeah, I think anyone who has passion for fashion, for modeling, they should never hold them back, and just be themselves and just try. I think and I feel every woman is beautiful in and out. If they have confidence and they get the right platform, I think, and if they get an opportunity, they should definitely go for it.
And finally, any words for the organizers, Ms. Muskan and Mr. Ravi?
So Muskan is a very dear friend, and it has been her dream to do this pageant one day. And finally it has happened today. She put up a great show, though it was a season 1, but I think if I compare it to the other pageants I have been or seen, she has done a great job. Same is with Ravi. Ravi has been her support all throughout. So kudos to both of them. It was a great show put up together.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sham Khan, and I'm the show director of VC Queen of India. So this is the first season. So hope you have witnessed the great show.
सर कैसा रहा ये जर्नी BEC क्वीन ऑफ इंडिया के साथ आपका? क्योंकि जितने ये कंटेस्टेंट्स थे ये थोड़े रॉ थे, पहली बार शायद स्टेज पे आए, तो कैसा चैलेंज आपको फेस करना पड़ा इनको ट्रेन करने में?
Actually, being a show director, I have to take up any challenge when it comes to a beauty pageant or any runway show. So this was the first season, so we got a few very raw contestants, but within the span of time we tried to give the best. We have organized it like our beauty pageant. जैसे एक बड़े beauty pageant है, वैसे ही हम ये भी beauty pageant. Almost we gave all the things. Let it be the sessions, let it be the shoots, let it be the introduction, let it be the rounds, etc. So hopefully next season much bigger and better करेंगे. So that's it.
सर ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो आपने पहले दिन इन कंटेस्टेंट्स में देखी, और आज जब आपने फिनाले शो देखा तो इसमें आपको क्या महसूस हुआ इन कंटेस्टेंट्स में कि क्या चेंज आया इनके अंदर आपके हिसाब से?
Actually, being very frank, actually, when a queen is born, when a queen get title, it's बहुत महीने का hard work है. But when it comes to beauty pageants with a little span of time, वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि वो जो 3-4 दिन का स्पैन के अंदर ट्रेनिंग पूरा करना पड़ता है, तो उनके लिए चैलेंजेस है. बट स्टिल वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ माइन्यूट चेंज, बट स्टिल इन द फ्यूचर दे विल ग्रो बेटर. When they came on the first day, things were different, but when they did the show on the last day, things were are on a different side. So they have learned stuff. Hope to like they will learn much better, and they will put it very good in future.
आपसे एक खास और आखिरी सवाल ये है कि आपसे जब कोरियोग्राफी आप करते हैं तो काफ़ी आपको ऐसे कंटेस्टेंट्स होंगे जो आपसे उम्र में थोड़े बड़े हैं और फिर भी आपको उन्हें ट्रेन करना है, आपका एक थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट सा नेचर रहता है उनको ट्रेन करने में. तो वो एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए कि आप उसको कैसे टैकल करते हैं. जो आपसे थोड़े सीनियर हैं, हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट सिचुएशन?
नहीं, when it comes to event, जहाँ पे मेरा मानना ये है कि वहाँ पे मेरा फैमिली मेम्बर हो, मेरा रिलेटिव हो, कोई भी हो, वहाँ पे तो ट्रेनिंग और जो काम मेरा है मैं उसी के लिए ही मतलब they have given the like they have taken me as a show director to train them. So वहाँ पे मेरे से बड़ा और छोटा कुछ नहीं है, वहाँ पे मुझे शो बेटर होना है. दैट इज़ माई फर्स्ट कंसर्न. सो दैट इज़ अ रीज़न मैं कभी गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ, मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रहता हूँ ऑन स्टेज. एंड मतलब कभी कभार ऐसे हो जाता है कि अगर टाइम बहुत कम मिल जाता है तो अगर मैं बहुत फ्री रहूँ तो वो ग्रेट शो पुटअप नहीं होता, तो इसलिए बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रहना पड़ता है, इसलिए शोज ठीक हो जाता है.
मेरा नाम अंकित नागपाल है. आई एम द डायरेक्टर फॉर बैंग ऑन टारगेट पीआर एंड मीडिया सॉल्यूशंस एंड आल्सो द डायरेक्टर फॉर ग्रूम टू ब्लूम ग्रूमिंग अकेडमी. आई एम अ पैजेंट ग्रूमर एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव जज्ड shows, more than 50 shows as a jury as well.
So how difficult was it to be in the position of jury for this pageant?
Well, I think every show is different and every contestants who participate in a show are different. Some come with experience, some are very much fresher on that platform. So judging a show is always little difficult because at the end of the day, आपको शुरू से ये नहीं पता कि winner कौन है. There is a competition and competition always usually happens when people are competitive and of probably of the same caliber. So if somebody is two people of the same caliber, you have to judge. It is a difficult task, and I think that happened here as well today.
And some of the contestants were new to this platform. So regarding the transformation that they went through along the grooming process, what would you like to say on that?
Well, there is a massive transformation, I would say. When I met the contestants for the first time, it was an offline session. It was an online session, in fact. And तब आप उनको ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते, ज़्यादा जज नहीं कर सकते, because उस वक्त आप ही बोल रहे होते हैं. It is probably a digital platform where you cannot have a two-way interaction. And after that, offline session लेने पे पता चला कि a lot of contestants, mostly many of them are raw. कुछ लोग स्टेज पे गए हैं अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में, स्कूल के दिनों में, बट इस तरीके के प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो पहली बार आए हैं. और वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अब जब वो फिनाले में आए, ट्रस्ट मी, अगर मैं उनके कंटेस्टेंट नंबर्स पे उनके नाम नहीं होते तो मैं शायद पहचान नहीं पाता, क्योंकि उनके पहले दिन और आखिरी दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन थी उनकी पर्सनालिटी को लेके.
And what would you like to say to all the girls in this country regarding taking up modeling as a platform?
Well, I'll always say that you have to be passionate about this profession, and whereas actually, to be honest, in all professions, till you're not passionate about it, you cannot achieve anything. Modeling, beating any profession. But modeling, I always say, it is not something I suggest leave everything and just do modeling. You can always do this side by side as well while you're pursuing your own profession and any career. But passion has to be there for sure in this line. And of course, you need to be on that position where you may be a great model, but you should have the right platform or the right mentor to go ahead in this industry who can guide you right and make sure that you get the right projects.
And being a person who is experienced in this industry, how difficult or easy it is to organize such a show?
Well, I was not the organizer here, but I know it is not an easy task because a show like this needs a lot of things from production to managing the contestants to managing your jury, a celebrity guest like Chitrangna Singh ji was there. So everything has to be perfect. Everything has to be the platform has to be great. Nothing can go wrong if you need a perfect show. So there is a lot I know, and especially organizing the show, you need so many things. You need funds, you need sponsors, you need gifting partners, you need associates. It is a lot of things. You have to wear a hat of multiple feathers.
So, what would you like to say to the organizers, Ms. Muskan and Mr. Ravi?
Well, I'll just keep it very short on that because they are fabulous. I worked with them for the first time as an associate and as their PR as well, and of course handling their jury. And I was one of the groomers. But very honestly, both of them were fabulous. They were both great, and season one was a great success, if I would say. Muskan, personally for her, I'll say that she's somebody who is very professional, thorough what work she wants, and she'll do it smoothly with people. She knows how to get things done, and she has a lot of cool and calm.
This is Trishita Chaudhary and I am the winner for VEC Queen of India 2024 for the Miss category.
Hello everyone, I'm Palak Noni and I'm the first runner-up for the Queen of India VEC in the Miss category.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratna Khanna, second runner-up of VEC Queen of India 2024 in the Miss category.
So, firstly, we would like to ask the three of you all, how was the whole process of grooming and transformation that you all got mentored by some of the industry experts? So,
adding that, what was your background from? Do you have any modeling or fashion background, and then how have you come?
So I would say for me it's a very exciting journey because honestly I've never been into modeling before. I think it was always a long lost passion for me. I was always a stage person. So I wanted to explore this option and then I got to know about VEC Queen of India and I auditioned for it. Luckily I got selected as one of the finalists and then we have amazing mentor, Muskan ma'am, Sunaina ma'am. They came together, even Kirti ma'am, they came together. They gave us the important grooming sessions during the diet plan, the walk, the how to gracefully carry yourself, the right attitude, makeup, and every tips were given. That makes us the winner and we are standing here for that. So it was an amazing, exciting journey and we are looking forward to more such opportunities. So thank you for that.
Well, for me, it was such an inspirational journey. Every girl, like since the childhood, they want to experience this, the crowning moment. And so am I. I wanted to have this moment. So for me, it was a very fresher journey. I am not experienced in modeling. But yes, I learned a lot of things. I have made so many unforgettable memories. And of course, the grooming sessions, they're going to stay with us forever. Be it Ankit sir or Kirti ma'am, Sunaina ma'am, Muskan ma'am. All of them were so inspirational. We learned so much from them. And yes, we are taking so much with us when we go back home.
Yeah, for me personally, this journey was so smooth. I was guided by the brightest of all, Sunaina ma'am, Muskan ma'am, and all our beautiful and talented mentors. And this is my first show, so I learned a lot, how to stand, how to pose. Of course, I faced some difficulties, but yeah, I was guided with the right.
sure.
Yeah, sorry.
And coming to the judges or the jury, generally we hear the questions can be a little tricky. So, how did you all find the questions now that the event is over and you all can probably speak your mind?
So as I said, we were given the right and the proper grooming session. So I think ever since we got to know that we will be performing here in Goa for the finale for VEC Queen of India 2024, all our mentors, they came together and they made sure that they give us the grooming as required. They picked each and everybody out there and groomed them very well. So I think by the time we were on the stage, we were well groomed, we were prepared, we knew, we had the confidence, we knew most of the questions and we knew how to just answer them. So we took all of the right attitude, whatever they offered and taught everything, and we just put together everything and just we did our best. And I think it just worked out very well. So yeah.
Well, I definitely have to agree with Trishita because we were taught and trained like from day to night all the groomers invested so much in us, believed so much in us, put so much faith on us. So yes, we were prepared, and I guess we were very lucky with the questions. They went very generous on us. So yes, the questions were very good, and we were given so many tips how to handle, how to do with the stage presence. So yeah, it was nice.
So, as mentioned by Palak, we were already groomed very well, and all the tips and tricks how to answer with start with gratitude, and you have to speak slowly because you have to think while you are answering. So my question was, will I choose a fit body or a mind? That's intelligence. So I of course picked the intelligence, and it was such a generic question, but yet it holds value. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Diksha Nijavan and I am the winner for the Mrs. category for VEC Queen of India 2024.
Hi, I am Riji John from Kerala. I am the first runner-up title winner for VEC Mrs. category Queen of India 2024.
Hi, my name is Kalpana Das Gandhi and I am the winner for the second runner-up for VEC in Mrs. category 2024.
Secondly, would like to ask, did you all have any prior experience of modeling? If yes or no? And secondly, how did the grooming process help you throughout the transformation of the journey?
Not a proper experience for modeling, though I had a tint of modeling. That's why I also enrolled for this beauty pageant, because I was very passionate for modeling and fashion. And I would definitely say that the grooming sessions were totally helpful, because they groomed us so well. They prepared us for every situation, how to answer the questions, and if in case we forget anything in the introduction, then how should we exactly handle the situation. So I would really like to thank the team of VEC Queen of India, all the jury members and all the mentors.
Hi, I personally do not have any experience in modeling, but I always wanted to be a model, and that's why I am here. So when I got to know about VEC, I thought, why not give it a try? And also our mentors were some industry stalwarts like Sham Khan sir, who was a show director, Muskan ma'am, Kirti ma'am, Sunaina ma'am. So they all have been like wonderful. We have been having online grooming session which really helped us, because they hand-holded us literally, because most of us who are standing here, we do not have any prior experience. So it has been great. The journey has been excellent.
Hi, yes, I do have a prior experience with modeling, and I started quite a year back, 17 years back again, and starting once again in Mrs. category after 17 years. What a great experience. And yes, we did get a very good sessions, and we were given very good chance for learning by all the mentors, starting from Sunaina ma'am and Muskan ma'am, Tarandeep, and then from Ankit sir, then all the crew members and all. So it was a very nice journey here, and we have learned a lot and taking forward as well. Yeah.
Also, probably if you could just tell one quality new that helped you achieve the podium finish, each one of them.
So I believe that one quality which a queen should possess, and because of which I also got this, I believe that the one quality which a queen should possess is confidence, and I personally feel that I embody confidence, and that is the reason that I won the winner category.
For me, that one quality would be self-belief. You believe in yourself, you can achieve everything.
For me, it was my passion. I always had a passion of modeling, and always wanted to be on top. And winning this crown after this many years was a great experience as well, and I'm totally very happy with that.
And any final words to the organizers who helped you all throughout the process?
Yeah, I would like to thank all the organizers who have helped us so much till date. Like even before the show, they were so worried about us, and they took care about everything, our makeup, our outfits, how we are performing, and whether we are well or not, whether we are worried. They were totally worried about us, and I'm really thankful for being so cooperative with us.
Yeah, the entire crew has been absolutely supportive. As I mentioned before, we come from a no training background, but when we came here, first thing was they made us all feel comfortable. It did not even feel like we were meeting them all for the first time. So it's like one big family that we have created here, and we have had a lot of good memories to cherish and take back home. So yeah, the entire team has been great.
For me, yes, of course, the team was great. Starting from early morning till late night, they used to be with us. They used to coordinate with us. They were very disciplined with us. It's not like only we were working. In fact, they were supporting us. They were with us. So I was very grateful to all the team members and the organizers. And yes, I would look forward to work with them.
I'm Dr. Tarandi. I am an aerial yoga trainer and an Iyengar yoga trainer, and I was the official fitness coach for this pageant, VEC Queen of India 2024. Apart from this, I'm also a model and a lifestyle influencer.
Ma'am, so how is it grooming some of the ladies here who are probably new to this industry? So how was the process of grooming and probably helping them transform as well?
It was a great journey to transform them. A lot of them were raw, but the transformation from the beginning till what they are now and how they performed on stage and the confidence that they have built and how they have transformed their bodies over these 6 months with the right diet and the right amount of exercise, it's commendable, and I'm super proud of all of them.
And how was the event organized by Ms. Muskan and Mr. Ravi?
It was a fabulous event, and all kudos to both of them, Muskan Gairola and Ravi Gairola. They have done a super show. It was flawless considering it is the first season. I'm really amazed, and all the best to the future shows of this. I'm sure they are going to be as great as this one, or maybe more than this.
And as a positive fitness influencer, what would you like to tell about fitness and how does it help in your day-to-day life or in pageants?
See, fitness is something which is important to one and all. It doesn't matter whether you are, a normal person, a corporate person, whether you are a model or whether you are just a housewife, because unless you are fit and healthy, you will not be able to take care of yourself and your family. So it is very, very important, because everything starts and ends with you. So you have to be healthy and in the best shape to be able to take care of others and to flourish in your career at the same time.
Hi, I'm Javed Salmani. I'm studio on J. I'm Javed Salmani. I'm studio J Salon. It's Gurgaon, based in Gurgaon. So,
Sir, considering you handle hairstyling and other things which are very critical to the pageant, so आपका क्या comment रहेगा कि एक look कैसे enhance होता है with the right hair color?
लुक्स के लिए क्या होता है कि कलर्स कुछ ऐसे होते हैं, बेस्ट इंडियन हेयर कलर्स को ना हमें देखना पड़ता है कि कैसी मॉडल्स के ऊपर कैसा कलर करना है, उनकी स्किन के हिसाब से हमने कलर डिज़ाइन करना पड़ता है. सपोज किसी को वार्म करना है, किसी को कूल करना है, या उनकी पर्सनैलिटी के हिसाब से कलर करते हैं. सीधा हाउस वाइफ या शायद वो कोई एक ऑफिशियली कोई वर्क में काम करते हैं, जैसे भी, तो उनकी पर्सनैलिटी को देख के हम कलर करते हैं.
And जो contestants आज थे, some of them were probably freshers in this industry. So how was it working with them and probably guiding them?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा रहा. बहुत ही शी इज़ वेरी स्मार्ट. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से संभाला चीज़ों को लेके, और उनके जो लुक्स थी, हेयर लुक्स थी, परफेक्टली फैबुलस जॉब जो उन्होंने अच्छे से कैरी करी, और उनके जो आउटफिट से जो लुक जा रही थी परफेक्टली. तो शी इज़ वेरी स्मार्ट for this.
And any words to the organizers, Miss Muskan and Ravi?
मुस्कान और सुनैना और रवि ने इतनी मेहनत करी है, इतने बहुत आई एम ग्लैड कि वो इतने अच्छे से उनको ये सक्सेस मिली है इस इवेंट में, जो कि वो तारीफ़ काबिल है.
Yes. So hopefully season 2 में there'll be a much larger, grander.
या डेफिनेटली जो नेक्स्ट करने वाले हैं वो बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. जो सक्सेस, इससे हमें ये पता लगा कि हमारी नेक्स्ट सक्सेस हमारी और अच्छी हो सकती है. हमसे बहुत कुछ सीखा इस इवेंट से हमने, और इंशाल्लाह इससे भी अच्छा होगा इस बार नेक्स्ट. और लुक्स पे भी हम और करेंगे. जो आने वाला ट्रेंड है, हम अब जो हम करने वाले हैं वो आने वाले ट्रेंड के ऊपर करने वाले हैं. क्या अपकमिंग हेयर ड्रेसिंग जो है, जो बाकी जो मॉडल्स हैं, उनके पास उनकी स्टाइलिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए, उनके पे कलर्स कैसे होने चाहिए, उनके वार्म कलर होने चाहिए, कूल कलर होने चाहिए, उनकी लुक्स पे भी हम बहुत काम करने वाले हैं कि उनके पे क्या स्टाइल के जो आने वाला ट्रेंड है हम उस पर काम करेंगे इस बार. उनकी मॉडल्स की कि वो किसी के लॉप आने वाले अपकमिंग ट्रेंड पे हम काम करेंगे, विच इज़ गुड.
Looking forward to the same. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.